Hello and thank you for your time. Today, I'd like to introduce our laser engraving and cutting machine, designed for non-metal materials. Our machine is a great choice for small workshops, creative studios, start-up business, and factories that work with flexible materials. It can engrave and cut wood, acrylic, MDF, leather, fabric, paper, foam, bamboo, rubber, and many other materials. Whether you are making science gifts, crafts, packaging, or decoration products, this machine can help you create beautiful work with high precision. The machine comes with a strong and stable body, a reliable laser tube, and a smart control system. It's very easy to use. Even beginners can learn fast. Their cutting edges are smooth, their engraving lines are clear, and the machine can work for long hours with stable performance. One of our biggest advantages is service. We provide clear installation videos, operation training, and faster technical support. Our engineers are always ready to help you online. If you ever have questions, we will answer quickly. Most important, this machine gives you a high value for money. It helps you save labor, makes more products, and grow your business with low running cost. If you are looking for a high-quality laser engraving and cutting solution that is simple, accurate, and reliable, we'd be happy to support you. Please feel free to contact us, and we'll recommend the best model based on your material and work size. Thank you for your time.